Hey everyone, so I may have found something that I wasn't supposed to. So I'm a user of Microsoft Bing Chat. That's Microsoft's AI chatbot powered by ChatGPT. And so like ChatGPT, it can draft emails, blog posts for you, but it could also now create images for you. But unlike the current version of ChatGPT 3.5, which is the free version right now, Microsoft Bing Chat can also access the internet. And that's where it enhances your search experience as well as your overall web experience. And one of the ways that it does that is through a tool that I don't think a lot of people know about yet, which is this handy dandy sidebar. This is something that you can use to chat, you can use it to compose, and it has this really cool insights tab. And the reason why I like it is because it not only summarizes what's being shown on the web page, it also provides some additional information, some context and definition. But now I found out it can actually bypass gated content. But take this article, for example. It's an article about the CEO of Stability AI. I'm excited to read it, but if I scroll down, I am met with this. And so here I would typically not pay up and find another article with a similar headline that's covered it and read it for free. But before I do that now, I go over to this Bing Chat sidebar, open it up, go to the Insights tab, and look what I find. Related articles here on More For You. If you click onto that, you can find the entire article and read it. On one side, on the left side, you can't read it. Here, you can read the entire article for free. Now, I don't know if this is something I am supposed to know about. Maybe this is something that publishers will realize later on and clamp down on. But for now, I recommend trying out Bing Chat and using this Insights tab. That can save you some time, some money, and allow you to access the article you really want for free. Just one quick disclaimer, I have found that it doesn't work on all articles. So try it out. All right, hope that helps. Until next time, thanks for watching.